Next umbrella goes to Miss Guillerma Pereira.
Lakan tayo? Palit tayo?
Next umbrella goes to